Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to show you one of the princess planners that I got from the Happy Planner. So this is the 12-month dashboard layout and has Tiana, Ariel, and Aurora on the front. And I love the color of the discs. It's like, I don't know how to describe that color. It's like a dark teal. I don't know, but it matches the the darker green that's on here. And then flip inside. I love this color. This color is beautiful. And it says, "Hello beautiful, this magical happy planner belongs to." And then you've got Ariel and Aurora and Tiana on the front. And then you've got your big calendar here with the whole year for 2021. And the currently page. So you've got Ariel on the front there with Sebastian and the Prince Eric, and see the good in all things. Okay, so then National Sticker Day, super important. New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Okay, so then you've got Ariel in the corner and then Flounder there. So this is a dashboard layout. So I feel like this month goes with Ariel's colors. Got Sebastian in the corner there. You guys know me, I'm a neutral planner, so this, having Sebastian, I mean, I can certainly white him out and white her out, but yeah, I mean, it's neutral enough for me that I could white him out if I needed to. You are beautiful inside out. That's cute. So yeah, the repeating pages with Flounder and Sebastian in the corner. That's weird. There's two of the February pages in here. Okay, so I got two last weeks of January, and then two currently pages for February. Strange. Maybe that was just there were two pages stuck together probably. So the next month will be Aurora. Love this divider. Let your dreams lead the way. You've got Lunar New Year, Valentine's Day, and President's Day. Okay, so the focus on this one is on Aurora, and the colors are slightly different to match her theme. And you've got the bunny in the corner, and you've got her fairy godmothers. And then the quote in the corner, "Don't ever give up on your dreams." Okay, so only one of the last weeks. And then the March currently for Tiana. This is beautiful. Just the artwork that has gone into this is gorgeous. And then Tiana in here, International Women's Day, Daylight Savings Time, St. Patrick's Day, Spring Begins, Passover, and Mermaid. Ooh, there's a Mermaid Day. Didn't know that. So these colors are representative, or they represent Tiana. So they're, you know, the blue and the green with the frog in the corner. The book, Above All Be Kind in there. I love the dashboard layout, but I don't know if I would use a classic size, so I don't know. The next is Ariel, so I think it's the exact, yeah. I'll show you the monthly. So I got April Fool's Day, Easter, National Pet Day, and Earth Day. But the actual pages themselves look exactly the same. I'm just going to check if the quote is the same. I think the quote is different. Follow your heart, it knows the way. So yeah, in this planner it looks like there's the three different themes. You've got Ariel, Aurora, and Tiana in here. So then yeah, Aurora, seek magic every day. And that's what the monthly looks like. I do like the little bit of brown and maroon in there though. And next is Tiana. I love this. Like, out of all the stickers that I've seen and out of the patterns I've seen, this design is my favorite. So for June, National Best Friends Day, Global Running Day. I might skip that one. Father's Day and Summer Begins are on the same day this year. Again, I really like the blue and the green of Tiana's theme or month. Let your dreams blossom. I'm running out of my voice here. Beautiful. Next Ariel for July. Independence Day, Disneyland opening day, International Day of Friendship. I won't show you the months for the remainder of the year. I won't show you like the weekly pages because they do look exactly the same as the rest of the planner. So I'll just go to the monthly dashboards here. So then Aurora for August. Look at this. It's so simple and neutral. Neutral lovers, this dashboard or this divider is for you. It's just gold foil with like dots and then a crown. Super simple. Love it. And August. Nothing going on in August. Then September for Tiana. Have a brave heart. Labor Day, Rosh Hashanah, Patriot Day, Yom Kippur, and Autumn. And we've got Ariel. Again, my favorite. And Disney World, opening day, 50th anniversary, Columbus Day, and Halloween. And then Aurora, always be kind. And for November, 30th anniversary of Beauty and the Beast. 30 years already for next year? That is insane. I feel old. I feel old. And then lastly for December's Tiana, look at the gold on that. Look at that. That feels amazing with the gold. Gorgeous. Walt Disney's birthday, winter begins, Christmas Eve, Kwanzaa, New Year's Eve. And then I'll flip to the back, and it's just a really simple notes page. Live creatively. And this is what the back of the planner looks like. I haven't taken this off. But this is gorgeous. I love that it is a dashboard layout. So I think they're offering dashboard, color block, and vertical. And what I've heard is that you can actually, if you buy all of the planners, you can kind of combine them so you have all of the princesses. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And actually, even before I go into that, with these planners, they are available at Walmart or walmart.com on November 1st, and they'll be in stores on November 16th. So unfortunately they are not available on the happyplanner.com, so I don't even really have links for you guys to be able to go and purchase them. So you would have to go straight to walmart.com or in stores. Now, I feel like the caveat is on this that yes, it is at Walmart, but I don't know if it's going to be available at Walmart in Canada. In the Walmart near me, I haven't ever seen any Happy Planner stuff like this, so I don't want to say that it will be available in Walmart Canada because I actually don't know and I haven't seen any stuff like that. So unfortunately, Canadians, I can't guarantee that this is going to be in Canada. So apologize for that. All right, so again, thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.